The 2011 Avalanche. The Chevy Avalanche can transform from an SUV into a full-size pickup truck, all in less than a minute. This makes the Avalanche one of the most flexible vehicles out there. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, running boards, remote engine start, keyless entry, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, driver lumbar, driver airbag, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, front floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel ABS, auto-off headlights, premium sound system, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, power door locks. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.